Updating your profile details on Wix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Visit the Wix website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the profile you wish to update. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on your profile picture or the account icon, usually located in the top right corner, to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile information. In the profile settings, look for an option labeled Edit Profile or Profile Details. Click on it to open the section where you can modify your personal information such as your name, email, and bio. Step 4. Update your details. Make the necessary changes to your profile information. Ensure that all entries are accurate and reflect your current details. You may also have options to upload a new profile picture or adjust privacy settings. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure all your changes or recorded in your profile is updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Wix profile up to date. Regularly checking and updating your information helps maintain your online presence effectively.